Not a kitten. Topic: listening text. After watching this video, children will be able to listen and understand the narrative, identify the characters in the narrative, predict what happens next. Hello, children. Look at this picture. What is this? This is a school. How beautiful this school is, with big building, play material, greenery, school bus. Everything is there. Have you heard the sound? It's a school bell sound. It's 4 o'clock, means it's long bell. Children came out of their classes. The boy here is Rohit, and this boy is Kiran. Kiran? Kiran! Kiran heard a shout. Kiran ran towards Rohit. Children, what would they be talking now?
I am about to go home. Come on, let's play for a while and then go.
I'm sorry, Kiran. I'm not interested in playing now.
Guess, children, why was Rohit not interested in playing now?
Why? What happened to you? Are you alright?
I'm alright, Kiran. But my father,
What happened to your father?
he got an injury on his head today.
Has he met with an accident?
No, it's not an accident. It's only an incident. Our new pet kitten is the cause.
What? A kitten is the cause of the injury?
Yes, it's a long story.
Tell me quickly. It's already late.
No, I'll tell tomorrow. I should go home. My father may be waiting for me.
Alright. Bye, Rohit.
Bye, Kiran.
Children, after the conversation, both of them left the school park. In the above story, Rohit's father had an injury on his head because of a pet kitten. Why do such incidents happen generally? Such incidents happen because of no freedom for pets, health issues of pets, not treating the pets properly, wrong training for the pets in the name of fun. It's your time. Children, most of you like to have pets, but do you think animals and birds like to lose their freedom and be your pets? Why? Why not? Discuss in your class.